nothing.
Nothing means nothing.
Nothing means nothing. What do you mean by that?
I'm talking about all the way to the top, yeah. Unjustifiably in a position that I'd rather not be in. But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah, I am. The cream, yeah. The cream of the crop.
Yeah, let's go.
And there is no one that does it better.
It's triple.
Talking ego, I'ma turn the fucking mirror on him. We're talking talent, you couldn't touch in your realest moment. This a nigga that had fast, they had a nerve to be mad. You never picked the phone up when his pride was showing. I ain't gotta sneak to get a point across, but you was lazy and came at me like a boy that's lost. If this was something I really tried to avoid, but you steady played and ran your fucking mouth like what's the cause? We been way back, probably used to hang back in munchies. Now you hang with a clique full of lanes that'll switch my niggas' brain into shit. Why behave like a bitch? You be saying what you saying for the clicks. Now you ain't that by the kid, but I'ma make a nigga spit. Either back it up and kill me, cause I know this isn't you. We're running and gone, went from real nigga to fool without a second to lose. Stay your ground, but I can't respect how you do when the wheels still turning, heels still turning, rushing through it knowing that the real still learning. They gon' see the other side before they fucking earn it. Heard my mama see me motherfucking flourish, gotta do what I do. Play how I need, I'll be damned if I lose, damned if I do, and if I don't, still I ain't no joke. I'm the motherfucking GOAT. Fucking get these bitches throats out.
Heels still turning, knowing that the real still learning. They gon' see the other side before they fucking earn it. Hope my mama see me motherfucking flourish, gotta do what I do. Heels still turning, knowing that the real still learning. Then if I do, and if I don't, still I ain't no joke. I'm a motherfucking GOAT.